Hello everyone. Lexi is building AI-powered associates for law firms and in-house legal teams. Let me walk you through a quick demo of how it works. First, building a playbook in Lexi is super easy. You can upload it directly from your existing contracts or internal playbooks. Or you can create one manually and edit it however you like. In this example, we'll do something simple. We'll just ask Lexi to find all the clauses that are unfair to our company or that fall outside market norms. And once the playbook is ready, we'll move over to the contract review. Begin by uploading the agreement, and Lexi will check each clause against your playbook. You will see all the flagged issues, each rated by severity, accompanied by explanations and recommendations on how to resolve them. The best part? You can rectify these issues with just a click of a button. Lexi recommends what the amendment should be, generates, and replaces the specific clause. Furthermore, Lexi learns from your past decisions. So, if your team previously accepted a similar clause or made an exception for this vendor, it will remind you right here. This is how what used to take hours of line-by-line review now occurs in minutes, with consistency and context built in. Furthermore, Lexi's features, which range from drafting and editing to document review, are seamlessly integrated into Microsoft Word and Google Docs. Let's take a look at how the drafting process works. With just one click, you can open Lexi right next to Word, and it will also connect to your emails. Suppose you need to prepare a contractor agreement for a new vendor. You can quickly search through your emails for the necessary documents, attachments, and details, as they have already been sent over. Simply attach it and instruct Lexi to generate a contractor's agreement. Lexi will then scan the email for key details and automatically fill in the company name, address, and other relevant information. If anything is missing, Lexi will ask follow-up questions to ensure accuracy before generating the draft. Once all pending questions have been addressed, Lexi will create a comprehensive agreement that aligns with your template and playbooks. Once the draft is open, we can chat directly inside the document. For instance, here we'll ask Lexi to change the jurisdiction to Delaware, United States. Lexi identifies all the clauses that need editing and highlights all the changes in track mode, ensuring that you are always in control. This is how drafting, editing, and collaboration all come together seamlessly, right inside Microsoft Word. If this sounds interesting, or if you'd like to explore more features, please reach out to us at hiogetlexi.io. Thank you.